That was tricky.
Tricky, tricky. Here you go, catch. Okay, pitch the ball for me. Can you open up the door? Turn it. You have to turn the handle. If you're going to show them how to open it, you have to turn the handle.
I don't want to get that close when I call it. Yeah.
Well, he's not going to get her out of the 9 o'clock. He's just going to open the door so we can go in the bathroom, probably take a shower.